Napansin nyo ba yung mga satanic stuff na nangyayari ngayon sa social media, sa Hollywood, sa music industry, sa buong mundo? Palala ng palala. It's getting worse. Gusto nyo po malaman kung bakit palala ng palala? Diba? It's getting so bad. The devil knows. The devil knows that Jesus is coming back soon and he is so scared and he is freaking out. So, ang number one goal ng devil is to make sure that you don't go to heaven. Kailangan nyo pong maintindihan na the devil is crafty. He is the father of lies, mapanlin lang, madugas at hindi lalaban niya ng patas. So he's going to make sure na una, you are distracted. You're having a good time. And you're living your life to the fullest until it's too late. Akala nyo marami kayong oras? Maraming namamatay. 155,000 die every single day. May mga namamatay sa pagtulog, hindi na nagigising, hindi na nasisikatan ng araw. Yung quote na live your life to the fullest is the biggest and satanic lie na popular na ngayon. Na sige, live your life to the fullest, mag-inom ka dito, mag-party ka dyan, magpakasaya ka, gawin mo lahat ng bagay na mapapasaya ka. Satisfying the desire of your flesh. But losing your own soul, not worth it. So here's I want to tell you. Once Jesus comes back, He is not the Savior anymore. Pagdating ng second coming, He will judge this corrupted world.